Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. He was a prophet. He told people good things. They said no. He made a boat. Animal went in. Lots of rain came. The boat floated. His son was bad and drowned. He was spent. God saved them. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. He was a good prophet. He taught one God. He taught one Allah. He hated stew. Allah saved him. He was ready to get his son for Allah. He built a holy building. He had big Fatiha. He's a famous person. Muslims love him. He listened to Allah. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was Allah's final prophet. He lived in Makkah. He was a good, honest man. Allah gave him the Quran. He about one Allah. He taught us Islam. He told us Islam. He is our best example. He loved people. He had kind heart. He is respected by all Muslims. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. He was a prophet. He lived in Egypt. Allah talked to him. He had a magic stick. He saved his people. He walked through the sea. His brother Harun, Hazrat Harun alayhi salam, was his helper. He told people to believe in one Allah. He was very brave. His story in holy books. Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. He was a prophet. His mom was Maryam alayhi salam. He had no dad. He talked when he was a baby. He could heal people. He said to worship only Allah. Allah took him to heaven. He don't die on a cross. He will come back later. His story is important. Hazrat Harun alayhi salam. He was Allah Ta'ala's helper. He was Musa alayhi salam's brother. He spoke well. He helped Musa alayhi salam fight by bad king. He lead his people. He told them what's right. Allah chose him. He's in the holy book. He was very loyal. He worked with Musa alayhi salam. Hazrat Zakaria alayhi salam. He was a prophet of Allah. He was Yusuf's dad. He was very old. He asked Allah Ta'ala for a child. Allah Ta'ala gave him a son as a mild. He he took take care of Mary. He was he was a good man. He trusted Allah. His story in about hope. He prayed a lot. Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam. He was a prophet. His dad was Zakaria. His he was born when his parents were very old. It was special, but he was smart when he was little. He lived a simple life. He took people to do good. He was Jesus' concept. He died for Allah's truth. He was a pure person. Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam. He was a prophet. His dad was his brothers were means to him. They threw him in a well. He was sold as a steal. He went to jail. He could understand dreams. He became a big leader in Egypt. He he forgave his brothers. He was very handsome. Hazrat Suleiman alayhi salam. He was a prophet and a king. He was prophet Deuce's their son. He could talk to animals. He could control with wind. He controlled the wind. He commanded jinn. He was very wise. He made the queen of Shahaba. He died landing on his stuff.